Hello everyone. I bet you didn't think we were going to talk about skincare in my kitchen, but I thought it would be perfect to talk about this, especially since my 4 clients have asked me to do a video about this in the past. But since most people will be doing a barbecue this weekend, I'm going to be talking about this type of cooking that actually accelerates aging. Now, don't get me wrong, I love barbecue as well. But when you introduce high heat that introduces reactive oxygen species and you are cooking it in a combination of sugars, proteins, and fats, that introduces a process called glycation. Now, this ages the overall body as well as the skin. But I want you to have fun too. So here is a way that you can help neutralize some of the free radicals that you will be introducing into your body, not just this weekend, but also probably this whole season. So this is a habit that I have been doing for just under 30 years, an average of 4 to 6 times a week. Now, the products that I've used in this have changed over time somewhat. Some of them have been pretty consistent. So I'm going to share with you just some things that you can do that's pretty easy, that helps neutralize the aging, that stops at the cellular level. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Christy and I have been professionally treating clients with hyperpigmentation, anti-aging, and acne for over 17 years and over 26,000 different treatments without the use of topical medication. Now, some of the aspects of my treatment includes complementary eating to help with the aging. So I'm going to show you just some things that you can do that starts in your kitchen. So come on back over here. I'm actually going to show you 3 products that I use to help my skin, especially when I'm out in the sun. So for those of you who think I avoid the sun, I actually don't. I love being outdoors. So the first one is matcha tea. Matcha tea has a high amount of EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, to help neutralize a lot of the free radicals introduced into your body. So I drink this about every other day or almost every day. I did a 30-day experiment with this, and I'll tell you about that later. But matcha tea, this one comes from the Uji region, which is famous for its matcha tea. The second one here is, I recommend this for my clients who have age spots and hyperpigmentation, because this helps your body actually produce its own glutathione, Lactobacillus fermentum, and it's a strain ME-3. So typically people who have a lot of pigmentation issues, I usually have them do that. Now the second one, or the third one here, is the MD Dermaceutical Pro Shield Max. It's a combination of antioxidants that have shown that it protects your skin from the UV rays. So those are the 3, and let's continue on into our live.